Welcome back. Now, what if you wanted to make this offer available for affiliates to promote? You would then go into your offer settings. You would then click on Offer Settings. It's going to open up into this dialog. You would then be able to click Affiliate Program On. What you're then going to do is to write in some information for the affiliates so that they will know about the product. Now, assuming that you have a page set up specifically and dedicated for your affiliates, also called in some circles JVs, you're going to want to put that URL here in this dialog. We're going to grab the page that we've already created for this purpose. We're going to copy the link and head back to WarriorPlus. We're then going to place that URL here in the dialog. We're then going to write in our contact email for our affiliates. Now, whenever your affiliates make application to your product, they can then be added to an email list specifically for affiliates or JVs. And this is going to work very similar to the one that adds customers to your email marketing list after they make a purchase. So what you're going to do here is click New Connection. You're then going to select the service you want to use. In this case, we're going to go ahead and use MailChimp. We're then going to select one of the lists that we already have set up within MailChimp. We're then going to click Save. What you can also do is to allow WarriorPlus to seek to attract affiliates for you. And you will then be ready to start seeking affiliates to promote your product. You're going to see here that you have the Allow New Requests to be turned on. We are then going to click Save. Now, your offer is currently private, therefore it will not appear in the affiliate marketplace. However, we can give the affiliate link to our potential affiliates or JVs. And if you go to the Setup menu, you're going to see some additional links that you didn't see before. One you're going to see is going to be your affiliate sign up page. And you're going to see here that what you can do is you can then give this link to your potential affiliates. We'll now see the page that the affiliate will see. That affiliate will then need to sign into their account. What that affiliate will need to do is to click Request Approval. If they want to write in notes to the vendor, they can write them in, or they can just request their offer. In some cases, they may see that their link is already approved. Now, the reason that this might happen would be because that affiliate was auto-approved. And you can determine that by going to your vendor settings, then going to this tab that says Affiliates. Then by clicking on your current affiliates. And you're going to notice here that this affiliate has been auto-approved. Now, you can determine that you don't want this affiliate to be approved. You could say that you don't want this affiliate to be approved when they apply for your link. You can also alter any additional offers that the affiliate has been approved for. For example, we can go back to the funnel that this affiliate was auto-approved for. We can edit that affiliate. You'll notice then that the affiliate's approval status is going to be active. We can change that to denied if we decide that we don't want that affiliate to be approved any longer to promote this offer. So for the sake of this video, we're just going to say that this affiliate has now been denied. When the affiliate comes back to this page to get their link, you'll notice now that there is a message that says their request to promote this offer has been denied. We can then go back to that affiliate. We can then edit that affiliate. We can make it so that the affiliate is now active. We can then click Save. And then if that affiliate refreshes their page, their link will then be visible. Now that affiliate has specific assigned commissions. It could be that we want to edit this specific affiliate and give them different commissions. That means that we can go into this offer for this affiliate, edit that affiliate, go to the commission side. We can then change their commission rate. We can then click Save. Now, if that affiliate goes back to their page and they refresh their page and they go back to the individual products, you'll see that their commission has now been increased for the products that they are promoting. But one thing you'll notice if we come back to this page, that this particular product does not show that there is a commission associated with it. And we want to make sure that this is turned on for all affiliates. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into the product settings and we're going to set the commission rate for this product. And this is going to be the commission rate for all affiliates, with the exception of those who we give a different affiliate commission. We're now going to click Save. And now there is a specific commission associated with this product, and that this commission will then apply regardless of how many different offers this product appears in. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.